Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. See, everyone wants to be successful in life. Am I right? You're right. Everyone wants to be successful. Many times, what we feel, if I go with this friend, I will be successful. If I go with that uncle, I will be successful because he is successful. But mind you, to be successful, we have to walk alone. So, walk alone if you want to be successful in life. You have to choose the road which was untrodden. If you go in on the same road which so many people are walking, it won't be so easy because you will be one among the crowd. But if you walk alone, that too on a road which is untrodden, no doubt you might be getting some difficulties there. You may not be having so many people along with you. Even then, you will be successful. So, sometimes we have to come out from our comfort zone and we have to go alone. We have to go alone. Why alone? Because though you are having so many friends, so many people won't be with you when you are in difficulty. You will understand that. When you are in trouble, you have to be alone, you have to face it. That is why right from the beginning we should practice it. After all, we come to this earth alone. Even when we leave this earth also, we will be alone. So we should have our own aim, our own goal. Not because my friend wants to become a doctor, I want to become. My cousin wants to become an engineer, so I too want to go for engineering. No, don't do like that. Ask yourself. Tell that you are your best friend. You are your best friend. You understand yourself better than anybody else. So, choose your own choice. And next is, we should be responsible for ourselves. Whatever happens, we should take the responsibility. Otherwise, usually what happens? If we are successful, we say, okay, I did this and that. If we face some failures, we say, because my college was not good, my teachers were not good, I am from a village, my parents were not rich, 101 reasons we will see. That is why we should be responsible for ourselves. And next is, we should learn to take decisions. Don't depend on others. As I told you, you understand yourself better. You understand your likes, dislikes. So, you have to take decisions on your own. You should know your strength. You should know your weaknesses and always have the self-belief. Yes, I can do this. I will do this. And next very important thing is, be courageous. Don't get scared. Otherwise, we are having people who are scared for each and everything. So don't get scared. Whatever it is, I will find out a way. I will see what to do. So learn new things. If it is necessary, you have to learn new things. And you are knowing, the people who win, they always who dare. So be courageous. Otherwise, usually we think, okay, what I will do there. See, when I was in the college, I remember even today, there was a girl with us. And she was good in studies, and after her master's, she went to America to do her MS. We at that time, what we were knowing nothing, we were just in the college. We were asking her, how you will manage there? No, where you will stay there? She told, I will manage after going there. At that time, we were just surprised how she is so bold, so strong. Now we understand better how people manage well and all. So you should have this courage. So have the courage. If you don't know anything, keep on learning, and don't be under the impression that when our college education is over, when we get our degree, our learning is over. No, you should keep on learning throughout your life. Throughout our life, we have to keep on learning. And this walking alone, it creates a lot of confidence. It creates a lot of self-belief. And we become more stronger when we walk alone. So, my dear friends, in our life, we have to walk alone. Don't depend on anybody else. God has sent us here with some abilities, I am telling you, again and again. All of us are having some abilities or the other. We are having some efficiencies. We should know our efficiencies. We should know our strength. And we should go ahead. Otherwise, if we walk in a crowd, what happens? We won't be knowing where the crowd goes. We walk along the crowd. We don't have our own aim, our own goal. We will be the losers then. But when I go alone, I know where I should go, what I should do, everything. That is why we should walk alone. Because though we are having people with us, once I heard a story that a man who was walking in a forest, he lost his way. He was scared where to go, what to go. Then he surprisingly sees another man. Actually, he had also lost his way. But when he met him, he felt okay. See why it happened? He only felt because the other man is there for his help. Actually, whether that man was knowing the way, no, he too was lost. It happens with us. But think that even other people are also like you only. Instead of that, what we should do? We should have our own aim, our own way. We should know where to go. Otherwise, if you just move in a crowd, you won't be knowing where to go. It is very, very important. Suppose you go to the railway station and if you ask for the ticket, he will ask, where you want to go? If you tell him, no, I don't have any destination, give me any ticket, whether he will give you? No, never. That is why you should have your own aim, your own goal, and you should walk your way alone. Let it be the way untrodden. Even then doesn't matter. It will give you a lot of success. You will be having clarity. You will become confident. You will be able to face any situation under such circumstances. So, today onwards, we will walk alone. Have a nice day.